Hello everybody, welcome to my unboxing video of the new 2021 iPad Pro 12.9 inch and the brand new Magic Keyboard. Alright, let's just start with the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2021. Alright, there you go, there's the new iPad. Alright, it looks pretty big. It has the new brand new M1 processor. Yes. It has the new M1 processor, like 12. It has 5G. It has, and it's nothing, and it has the, and it has dual cameras as well, and it has the LiDAR, and it has the brand new LiDAR sensor as well with the new iPhones as well. It looks pretty big, and I really like it. I'll see how I go after when I use it after a few days. Let's just unbox the new Magic Keyboard. Ta-da! There's the new Magic Keyboard, and with the iPad it can fit onto the Magic Keyboard just like this. And it slots in like this, I'll keep you guys updated how I feel after using it after a few days. This is Dixon from Dixon's Tech Reviews, and I have reviews. Bye.